Hello everyone, let's unbox this cooker with me.
Wow!
Let's see who is looking for a particular cooker to buy. She got up one day and went into a shop to get it. Immediately she got there, she was confused and doesn't know which one to choose. Let's see what she brought home.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, kindly subscribe, go through my videos, you may have a solution. Yeah, so today I got a cooker, and this particular cooker, but I was looking for a cooker that's having 1Electric, okay, and basically I got it, guys. If you've seen my TikTok, I did a video where I was shopping from the shop, price where I got it and everything. Okay, back to business, unbox it with me. After I was done removing the box from it, this is the goodies it comes with. It comes with this grilling, baking things, and I just can't wait to try this. Let's put this back and focus on the main tour, and you'll be back to solve this problem. Okay, yeah, so this is the machine. It's so cute, so beautiful, so pretty. So you can see the one at the back over there, that one is the game changer. That one is electric. Okay, one thing I like about this machine, guys, even if there is no gas, I've not connected it to gas yet, but I can still use this machine because of the electric parts it comes with. Yes, I can still use this machine. This is the manual it comes with, so I took the manual, I went through it. So it's talking about how I'm going to use it, and they show you arrows of it. So let's say this arrow A is going to the first one, the C is going here, D is going here, you get me? And it's so friendly to use because if you see from it, they've shown you the arrows, the not the regulators, the manual. But yes, too, if you can't see it or you can't do it, you still see it from the knob, the regulator portion. How cool is it? Yeah, so I took every wrap from it. Now it's for me, so I can take everything out from it. I'm so excited about this purchase. I'm so excited. Hey, survival, get down. This my pet is worrying me, guys. So let's put it in, let's plug it and see in case it's going to work. Okay, yeah, so have you seen the knob there is off now? Have you seen the black, deep black there? That shows that one is for the electric. So I've on the electric to 1. Let's turn it more so that it can be faster to heat up. Okay, yeah, so basically you see the second one is the first one, like basically the first one here. The third one is basically for the grilling part and the baking part, and on and on. It's so friendly to use. If you see the other knob, you see it. Yeah, so let's test it if it's working, if it's hot or not. I wanted to use something else. It has becoming hot. Yeah, so I used this rubber that I was having. I said let me use it because I wanted to cook something, to let's say boil water or something, but the way Survivor was doing, I was so scared it will come and jump on it, so I just put rubber on it. That yeah, it's becoming hot. Yeah, I can feel the hotness. Yeah, I've not connected it to gas, so I've not connected it to gas. You can see where I'm recording the video, it's not even a kitchen, so there's no gas around me. I'm now going to put a kitchen, connect my gas and everything. You guys are going to see. Okay, my new apartment update is coming up, so you guys are going to see everything. Okay, thank you all. So yeah, basically it's hot now. Okay, so it's hot now, so let's put the rubber on it and test it. Yeah, I can feel the heat now. Let's put some rubber on it. I wanted to boil some water or fry eggs or something like, but my baby is with me. This pet is worrying me, so let's use rubber and see how it's going to react to the heat. Okay. Okay guys, now back to business. Let's come to the grilling part. Okay, let's off the machine first because my baby here can jump on it, so let's off it now. Fine, so let's go down there. Here's my favorite part. I can't wait to try new recipes I've been watching on YouTube, TikTok, all the social media. I can't wait, guys. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I think this one is for the grilling and then the baking and all that. Let's go inside and see what is in. Oh, this is so sharp. I don't know what it's used for. We'll figure it out together, okay? Don't worry. I don't know what it's used for. Let's put it aside and focus on the other ones. What is this one? This is so heavy, guys. Feels so heavy. What is that? Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. But it's so heavy. Why is it so heavy like that? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I can see that. Let me put it on it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh wow, I'm so excited. I think that is what it's gonna be. Yeah guys, well this is the only thing it came with. I was thinking it's supposed to be two, so that I'll put one also in the middle, but that's the only thing it came. Okay, so guys, this is the outcome of it. How cute is this cooker? Okay, let me turn on the lights for you guys to see it very well. They've provided the baker tray in there. I think that's it, and this one is where I'm going to light up if in case I want to bake something or I want to grill. No, that's basically for bake, and the top one is for grill. I will show you guys if you can see it. Yeah, that's the one at the top, so that when I light that side up I can grill whatever I want to grill. Now I'm going to bring you guys more of this try new recipes. Okay, I'm going to bring you, so I think I have to get one tray, or maybe if I'm baking something I can just put it on the tray, the inbuilt tray. Okay, oh, I'm so excited guys. So let's see the perfect. So this thing is still hot guys, it's still hot, trust me. Thank you all for watching.